Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for weekly analysis. So this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an education purpose only, not for financial investment, and I am teaching how to analyze the Forex in commodity market and how I am trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliottician trader, not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from the experienced trader through my comments in my post about Elliott waves. I keep learning the market every day. I won't trade according to the fundamental and sentiment. I will trading and traded with 100% technical only, what I learned from the books, video clips and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because they're treating this business like a gambling. I'm not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explained here. So we'll go to our watch list. So this is our regular watch list. So according to the DXY, Euro USD, JBP USD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, USD CAD, USD JPY, USD CHF, gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin, US 30, and just we saw that Australian JPY and then CAD JPY. So let's move on to first DXY. Yeah. So DXY here, I changed some alternation here according to the price action. In previous, I thought it's A, B, C is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It was like that, or it could be, and I have already informed that this could be an irregular flat of 4, and there will be one more chances for making a new low also. That was it was my previous idea, but it's not wrong within that view. But even though why I am just changed my view, the labeling means my positional view is it has to break this 102.82 and 103.82. There is no change in that view for positionally, but here my thing is whether it is creating a base for the upper side, it's accumulating, or whether it is distributing and one more wave to the downside is possible for 91.3 or what I said earlier in my video. So if it does like that, one more wave to the lower, it's ahead 191.3. So then that will become a maybe we can make it as another X, like that Y, X and then Z, or it could be a B 1, 2, 3 and then it's a 4 is an irregular flat, or maybe a triangle, and then if it goes and if it breaks below this low what it made, then that will be possible count also. But right now I am buying the dollars only. As I said, I have already shorted Euro USD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and I had in a buy position in UCAD, and UJ and UHF is entirely different. It's according to that gold, silver and that fundamental equities market that will do according that will move according to that. So right now we will just I'm buying the dollars only here. So what it will happen means here in my another view as a bearish, this could be an irregular flat is also possible, this because it is looking like an impulsive, and this is also looking like a 5-way structure what I said. But after that what it did is it made another 5-way structure what I said in the earlier, and then this is looking also a 3-way structure here. So I'll show you in the 1 hour. See, this is looking like a 5-way. That is why I told this is the end, it could be an end of that 5 ways, and then after that this is looking like a 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So this is also looking like a 5, but I'm not sure about that. It may be, but I had one more doubt also. What I said earlier, this looking like an impulsive, this is also looking like a five-way structure. So what I did is, anyway, here it could be an irregular flat, a 4 and then 5 could be ended here. But here what I expect in my view, if this is the bigger one and 2, 3, 4 won't be like this. It has to be another, it has to take this kind of consolidation at least here. So that is why I'm not sure about that 1, 2, 3 to labeling as a 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So if we label as a W according to this price action, what it is happening here, if we place it as a 1, 2, it's a simple, but here the price action, it's looking like a diagonal. Everything it's a 3-way structure. So now I just get into these intermediate waves. It's looking like a diagonal for me. So if we place this as a WX, Y could be an, what I said, the C wave could be an, whether if it is an A, B, C is A, B and C. C is an ending diagonal also. So only in the diagonal will occurred only in that end position or in that from that lower levels. That is called as a leading diagonal, and this is in the end position is called as an ending diagonal. So this is anyway what I'm thinking is it's a diagonal pattern. It's not a third wave. But if it keep on consolidation here and then break this low, that will also consider as Y, X and then below the 3 waves is Z. So right now here how I'm looking here is whether it could be an end of here and here it's an end of the fourth wave, because it's already broken this low. So this could be an irregular flat, because this is also looking as a 5 and this is also looking like a 5. So in this wave it's looking like a 5-way pattern. It's ABC1, ABC2, ABC3. So this is also a we can compromise in this. So it could be a B, and what happened here is 1, 2, 3 is A, B, C is over. So for the fifth wave it's A, B and C. So finally it's ended in the 3-way structure. What I'm looking for a 5-way structure, but the 5-way structure is occur only in that impulsive waves only. It's not in the diagonal. Diagonal it will looking like all 3 ways. And one more I will show you here. Just the price action, you have to understand that creating the base is very tough. We have to understand that. See, when here it is doing on, we didn't know about this, what will be happen the next. So everybody, including myself, what I told you, the Euro USD. Last time I told about the Euro USD. I explained about the Euro. Same thing. If we are in that position right now, everybody is looking for that downside. So whether it could be a triangle, because it's all 3 waves. Here it's a 1, 2, 3, and we are in the, if we place this as a 1, 2, 3 and 4, we looking for the triangle. And then one more wave to the downside is possible from here itself. But what happened? It shooted. So like that, creating the base, this zone, it's so very important, because it will confuse us whether it is a one more wave to the downside or upside. So what we have to do as a professional trader, we need to accumulate here. See, if it comes down also, it's not that much deep, right? We already in the downtrend and it already finished. It's almost we are finishing. So maybe another from here to here, how much it will be there? 90 to 87, so nearly 250 pips. So if we need to a swing or positional trade, the intraday is a different. Intraday, I'm not a intraday player, so I'm not a scalper. So for me, my thing is only for that swing trading and the positional trading. So we are looking for the trend reversal here. So if it comes down also, we need to buy. That's it. We need to accumulate at least 30% or 40%, whatever according to your money management. And then if it comes here, we have to accumulate. The same thing it's happening here. That is in daily. So this is in 4 hours. So if we switch to that daily also, still we may consolidate here in this zone. It will confuse us. Then it will shoot, or it can break downside also. But what I'm trying to say is same kind of psychology are also happening here for us. So whether if it is going to the downside, and the candlestick pattern also, here also it's a doji and then again it break, but again it failed. So this kind of overlapping is occurred only whether it is a accumulating or distribution phase only. So right now, according to our technical, and that we are getting a nice divergence in the daily. I showed you that in my chart. You can just have a look there. And here it's also looking like what I said, no, in that weekly. See, we have nice pin bar in previous also doji, and again this is an inside bar, and again we broke out, and then again the buyers are there. So now it's a green body. It's a little bit. It's also looking like a doji. So what I'm thinking here is it may consolidate for the another 1 or 2 candles. So that means another 15 days, and then only it will get the clear direction. Or what I said, if it is an irregular wave, and then it can shoot another 3-way to the downside is also possible. So right now, actually that this is in daily candle, it's a bullish candle, and in weekly candle is also looks like a doji or the indecision candle, but the green body. Before that also same thing happening. So buying pressure is there, and exactly where we are in that zone, that is so important. See this zone. So I will move on to the next. Otherwise, yeah, we are in this zone. So this is a massive support zone. So in any wave, it can be react. See from here also, this is not the, what I'm saying is this is not the exact support and resistance what I'm drawing here, but this is the zone. It can beat you also to another leg to the downside, but here from this zone is a reversal point for me. Either it is could be a shorter term or for the long term. So my view is if it is an X here, it's a Y X. So ABC is already done. So sorry W, and this is the connecting wave. So another this kind of leg has to happen here. So my view is 107 is my target for this. That is why I have already drawn the resistance zone. So that is the end of that Z wave of the 5-wave corrective pattern, and then I'm looking for that bearish at least 83 to 82 or 83 like that. It has to reach after once it reached there. So then we will see according to that. Right now this week I'm bullish, or it will consolidate here for the next 2 weeks and then it can shoot. So let's move on to Euro USD. Same what I expected in the past. It could be the end of the here, or it could make a triangle also. Same it happened. I already published the same thing. Once again I will check with you also what I have did, what I posted. I need to show if it is a C. whether it is a triangle as a chances, and we are getting the bearish divergency. So there is a chances for that. Yeah. Once again, I'm just searching for one more view. Sorry for the delay. I think I have posted one thing. Just check here. This is a one more possibility. What I expected. Exactly it came. So here what I explained here is 3, 4, 5 is ended, or this is a triangle, one more wave to the upper side is possible. So possible to make one more wave to the 1.1950. So what happened? It's exactly did here 1.9684 and then here. So my triangle view is from here, but what it happened, it did a clear deeper correction and then again triangle formation here. That is what I need to say. So this is also valid. So this is A, B, C, D and E, and then it shooted. So my target is achieved. So from here itself I am looking for the downtrend. So let's move on to next. It's so right now how I'm looking in the DXY also the same thing, whether if it is an irregular flat or here I did as an 1 2, here ABC is 1, ABC 2, what the diagonal setup I have did, same thing Y wave. So if it is there, so 4 ended here and then fifth way also ABC, it's completed. And same thing in the daily candlestick, it's also bearish, and weekly chart same bearish as like as the inverted one, and where we are in that same what I show you, right, the same thing, we are in that exactly the resistance zone. So we will move on to GBP USD. See, there is also same thing, it's did a triangle and then here it is an exactly that 5-way structure here. So here it what it did is 5-way structure here, from here to here it's a 5-way structure impulsive, and it's did a zigzag A B C, and then again it break this anchor in that 1 hour. So right now it's a simple A B C. So this is making as a 3-way structures. So if it is coming like a 3-way structure, so either this could be a 1 2, so 3 will also a 1 2 1 2 like that, or A B C 1 it will follow another 3 will up and then it can down for the third wave. So these are all the intermediate waves. So I am looking only for that impulsive wave to the downside. It's a bearish. So that bearish up to what I am thinking is it has to break this low. There is a lot of chances to break this low, and same everything, because in DXY it has to break that 105 or 103.82, it has to reach that 107 means all thing. But I have already published my positional. See, this is the third wave of the 5-way structure and we are on the W finished, and X is an irregular flat. So A here is the W, so ABC is an expanded triangle, X finish A and B and C. So this C is a very aggressive, you know very well about that C wave character, and here the W X has finished. Now the Y wave is also finished according to the fib expansion level. See, this is a positional chart, so don't look for I am not an intraday trader, So I'm looking only for that accumulate my build at sell positions. See, exactly it did that 786 here in this zone. So right now it is getting ready to the downside, or what I said in the previous video also, it can make a three-way structure and again one more three-way structure. So in that case it will reach the 90, DXY can reach up to 98 or 9900 like that, and then this will also make a deeper correction for that connecting wave X. If it again DXY reach the 91.5 zone, again it can reach this zone. So there is an option whether it is making a three-way structure and then again to the connecting wave here, and again ABC can make up to here, or this is a possible to getting from here to the break this zone. So right now I'm expecting the downtrend, but whether this wave has a chances to break this low, or else it can make another 3 months or 4 months in the correction, and then again 3 months for that here, that 2 months for the impulsive, and then again it will take to the downside. So that is also possible. So right now I'm looking for the downtrend for 1.224, because this is a three-way structure. So again it has to make a three-way structure, so that could be in a 61.8 retracement also, because whether if it is in a five-way only, it will do 38.2 retracement for the zigzag correction. But here what it happened is A, B and C is over. So here the already three waves finished. So again now I am expecting a bigger three wave. So it will reach nearly to that this zone. So 1.2 is possible for that 78.6 retracement level. I think so. We'll just check. Yeah, 1.8 is there. So 61.8 is there. Here 1.2. So 1.2 is a very achievable target for the downtrend. After that, if it is one more way to the upper side, if it is according to the fundamental and the news and the elections or ahead in the US, so November, I think November 4th or something. So at that time it will, dollar will get strength. After that news, what will be the result? So then it can make a shoot or it can dump. So that is according to the fundamental news. Up to here is the technical. So after that, the news, elections news and the results, it depends upon the fundamental. So be cautious here. Up to here it is fine for according to the technical, but after that also, if there is a chances to break this low, or there is a chances to make a one more high, and then it can, but my positional target is it has to break this low. So I think I finished here. I think you understand what I'm expecting in my technical Elliott waves, because see that we need to understand the characters of that structure. See, if it is a flat pattern, what it will do? Flat pattern is of ABC. So the ABC also it could be a flat, but here the zigzag. A is a five-way, B is a triangle, so another the five-way is completed. So this is X a zigzag here and the A. But what I am trying to say is, if it is making a three-way structure here, and then again one more three, another five-way structure, and again three, and then if it is a five-way structure, so there is a lot of possibilities only for the 38.2 retracement. But here it did only the three-way structure. So A, B, C is over, but it can continue again the how that Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar is doing. Like that it may happen, because A, B, C is a W. So another connecting wave to that X, and then again A, B, C for that Z wave is also a possible Y wave, because A, B, C is okay. Once again, yeah, this is a Y only, because it's I have already placed that X, Y, and so Z wave has to here. So whether if it is a connecting wave, this will become a W, intermediate wave W, and then X, A, B, C, and then this Y will move to here. I think you can understand my view here. And then if it is in a connecting wave, again there is a bullish pressure, means it can go from here itself to complete here, and then it has to come down also. So now it is getting ready to the downside. So now we will move on to Australian dollar. So Australian dollar make another high. I already added my position, one position. I have already added my position at here, the 67180. From here itself I added my position 7180 here, and then again I closed my position here, and then again I added here. But I did done anything, but I'm just refilling my position. I didn't add anything because it's looking like a diagonal. It's an ending wave. It's keep on going. Still there is a chances for making one more high also, if it is the end of the fourth wave here. If it is end of the fourth wave here, means ABC is the fifth wave is completed. So this diagonal is trading in the diagonal is very tough. So here what I did is ABC1, ABC2. So ABC is the W, X, ABC is the end of the third. But what I am trying to say again, if it is impossible for making the if it is making one more high, simply we have to move this 4 here, and we have to another one more way to the high. So what it will be there means this is an A. So A, B, C. So this is becomes a W, X, A, B, C like that. So A, B and C, because this is also a 5-way structure and this is also a 5-way structure, and it already broken here. So there is a chances it's already the fourth is ended here, and A, B, C is the fifth is ended here. If not, if another one more wave, if it already if it coming to break this high, means simply we need to move here the fourth wave. So this is the A, so this is the C. So intermediate A, B, C is the structure. So try to understand that. That is why I didn't add anything. What I did is I just exactly did here 7 to 7 there, and then immediately it's looking like a 5-way, and I buy back here. I book the profit here because it's a 5-way structure. What I expected is this is also in a 5-way structure. So this could be an A, B, C intermediate wave. So this is the C. So here also see, here it's a completed of that looking like that. So I exit my position. No need to tempt, and it will go to the further downside. Can't say anything in this diagonal pattern, and this is not breaking this channel here. In that what I booked wrong here. After that only it broke the channel. So right now, if it is the end of the fourth way and it already did a one more new high, means we have to change this channel like here, and then again for the fifth way we need to place here. So this is my view. I'm having only one position, what I shorted here 07180 in this top 7180, and what I did is I didn't add anything because it's looking like a 3-way structure, and this is also looking like a 5-way structure. Here also I did one more short, and then immediately I booked the profit. I didn't keep for that positional because this wave is a lot of confusion here. That is why I just didn't add anything. But if it is add, means only the impulse wave. When the 5 waves is ended, I just keep on booking my profit what I did, and here I didn't done anything because I thought it will go like here itself, and again it didn't high. So I'm little confused here, and I didn't add anything, and here I make a whatever it is, it has to come like this kind of way, it has to be there. That is why I have exactly keep on watching, and then I shorted at exactly that high, and I buy back from here. So nearly 100 pips, 110 pips I book the profit here. So right now what I'm expecting the same thing. If it comes to the high, I will add my position. Otherwise, if it make this wave like this here, make it as a green, and then again if I'm too confident, if it is I'm able to make a find out the 5 waves, I will add one more here. If it is a 5-way structure is completed, otherwise it's keep on shooting means I'm not able to find that 5-way structure. I won't do that. Allow this has to break the high, and then again I will watch and then add my position here, one more high. If I missed here, what I will do is simply we have to enter while it is breaking this low. That is the only thing we need to add. So let's move on to New Zealand dollar. So New Zealand dollar is not so that much aggressive. It's already once again we will see that in that weekly chart also how it looks. I forgot to saw that. So it's a daily chart and this is the weekly chart. Oh, same, everything is gotten a pin bar. So this, that is why I'm saying, right, the dollar is getting strength. See, there is a lot of wicks and the body is nothing. It's a bigger body and then it's smaller and smaller than this, and this is looking like an inverted hammer. So let's see if we build this and a regular within the 6 months maximum. What I'm trying to say is 6 months. Here it took 4 months, right? From the March. So this is August. So it's around 5 months it took. But this is an impulsive. So we will get another within the 5 months, nearly 2000 pips. It's there if it breaks. So we just need to build the sell position and accumulate everything in the sell and build the sell positions. Nearly the 2000 pips will make you the 5000 pips also. I will show you once I have finished this as per my view. I will show you how many Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar I will just keep on accumulating and what that profit I will get. I will show you once again if it is come according to my view. So next, New Zealand dollar. So New Zealand dollar also, it's already did that hammer, the bearish and the 3 hammer also. So 3 bearish candle, and now it is a little bit I'm looking for that pullback, because here that same thing, it's a B, C is over 1. See, here it's a ABC, ABC and ABC is over. So the 3 ABC. So we need to make it as a W. And exactly here I sold that and booked the 150 pips profit here. Exactly how I catch that in Australian dollar at the high. At the same time I did the same. Say within how many? Nearly in 2 days I reached my target. 150 pips or 140 pips I booked here. Yeah, 500 I exited. I shorted at 6640 and then I booked at 65. Day before yesterday I booked. So now what I'm expecting here is whether this the whole thing is a W and this is the connecting wave. So it's already broken this. So now what I'm expecting here is a or it could be an intermediate wave W also. So here it's a channel I drawn. So now I'm looking for this. So this wave I'm looking. So this B wave. So this will be took time also. After that I will again accumulate what I had did here and book the profit again I will. And I already added my position here. And that I am having still at 6660 I added. Here in this zone 6670 I added. So I didn't add it here. I think in intraday I took the position and then I again booked the profit, because it's looking like here it's looking like a 3-way structure only. So I'm expecting another 3-way structure. So again I missed here and then it did a 5-way structure. So this caused me a little bit cautious. And what I expected here is one more way to the upper side is also possible, how I said in the Australian dollar like that. So I didn't done anything here, but once it broken this anchor, I confirmed this as a 3-way. So again we will get this kind of wave structure in this zone, and I draw the trend line. Exactly it reached here, and I exactly shorted at 6640, and then I booked the profit of 140 pips here. So now I'm having the one position what I shorted at 6670, and I will keep on adding here, and then I won't book here. Sorry, I will book here for this position, and then again if it comes for that three-way structure. So this what will happen here is, this is the head, it will become head, and then again this kind of structure has to happen here. That is also called as a right shoulder. It's a head, so left shoulder and right shoulder. So again what I will do is, I will keep accumulating here in the sell. I will build that sell here. I'll book that sell order. I will just keep on build my sell position here for the target of, next target is here. Once it break, because it will took more time, once it reached here it will took more time for the consolidation, and then again it will break down to this zone. So let's see next what UCAD, USD Canadian dollar, that is also slow, sluggish. See, this is also diagonal. What I said is, from here it can shoot, and then again failure last week, and again I'm expected this is not that way of what I'm expected. So what I did is, I placed the order at 1.3130. I'm already having the position at 1.385 and 1.3585. So I'm having the two positions in buy, because I, in previous view, I had an idea of it has to go to this zone and then again it has to come down, but that is why what we expected, the market won't do like what we expected. So what the market did, we have to find that pattern, and then only we have to manage that what the position against the market. See, I'm having the position at 1.3585 and 1.3385, so nearly the 200 pips. And what I exactly here, I did some intraday positions that you all, I said here itself, I bought it at 1.3320 something, and then again immediately I booked the 100 pips here, and then again I added the position here, but again it came down, but I didn't add anything. I already placed the order at 1.3130, but it made 25. I made it 1.3125, but it made a low of 1.330. It didn't trigger, so that order is still there. Whether it is going to shoot from here, or it will reach to that zone and then again bounce back. So anyway, I'm looking for that. Anyway, the dollar, if it is in dollar get strength, you can also go into move. And then in oil also, it's very messy for the past 2 months. It's keep on coming low, but oil is struggling to make a high. That is why I need to tell you, from here itself oil is struggling, but it's keep on lower low. But in oil, it's struggling to cross this. Only within the $4 it's playing. From here I think so, yeah, 37 to 43, $3, sorry, $6. It's playing within that, and we can't trade here. I didn't done anything. I just took a trade here. It already broken this low. I entered here at the 42 point in IC market, that is 41.90 at the time. It has it here is a 42.2, and what I did is, okay, it is going down, means we will just build, and I have already placed that stop loss in the swing. I have placed a stop loss. It hit the stop loss yesterday only it hit, and then I didn't done anything. Just of nearly that 60 pips I lose that here in the oil, 60 cents, because it came down. Actually, well, it came down. What I thought is it has to reach that 41 zone. So that is why my thing is, anyway, we have to place the stop loss at 42.7 something here, and I entered at 41.9. So if it reached to that here means it's a 1:1 for the intraday, and immediately at the time fall here within the next candle itself rise. Next candle is raised. So I didn't done anything, only the one trade I took a stop hit, and then again see what happened after my stop hit. Say I placed that in the IC market is 42.7. What it did is 42.68. Only in that spread I got hit the stop. It hit the stop and immediately came down. So oil also. So we will first we finish that UCAD. Sorry, I just changed our analysis from the USD oil to USD CAD to oil. So from here I'm looking either this is the end, this is the maximum. What I did is, because there is no more weight or room to the downside, this is the maximum count what I can do. So here is a 1 2, so 3 is ended in the extended level. It's a this is also a diagonal, so everything is got a 3 waves. So this is the end of that fourth wave, because if it bounced from here itself, so it's already done that is 1618 near to that. So I think anyway it won't do that irregular flat, but anything means I'm not able to count here from here if it done one more new low. But I having an buy order, limit buy order, so it can shoot. Let's see. And USD JPY also, there is a one more way to that downside is possible, I think so. I'm not sure about that, because according to the gold, it's okay, yeah, here this is an impulsive wave, 1 2 3 4 5 or whatever it is, A B and C. So this is an impulsive wave, we are the connecting wave. So one connecting waves A B C is A is over, so I thought this is an B, the connecting wave. C has to down in the 5-way structure, but it didn't happen. So what I did is, anyway, so this could be a triangle A B C D E, so that is the chances for making a C. So from here it has to shoot. So this is a B and C, but compared to this A, the C is very small, so that is accepted, but for me it's a little bit small, I think so. So what I am expecting here, and I have already posted that it could be a 1 2 1 2, but it already broken this low. So this is could not be a 1 2 1 2, maybe this could be a 1 and this could be an expanded flat, this could be a 2. So 1 2, I am looking for the third wave if it is a bullish, or there is a one more chances is this could be an A, this could be an B, and C can finish to here. I'll show you that in that 4 hour. That is what I have already posted in that trading view on my pages and Telegram channel also. So you can find out my, the thing is in the description, in the YouTube description, it's a NMK Vijay. So you can look for that Forex Surfers. And I'm doing that Indian stocks also now. I have started that also in the Stock Surfers. It's the name of Stock Surfers for the Indian stocks, and for the Forex experts it's a Forex Surfers. So you can find out and you can join me. What only I won't give any entry what I am explaining here and what I posted here in the trading view in Facebook pages. The same thing I will do that. It's for only for the learning purposes only. So I'm not a signal provider. I'm just doing it for myself, to fine tune myself, and I'm sharing my knowledge to you to understand that Elliott waves also. So mind that. So you come to this. This is a B C. If it is a W, this is an X. So Y can end it here, because everything is a 3-way structure. So from here, either the 3-way structure is completed, means it's finished the correction here. It's a ABC and connecting wave, and again ABC. So whether there is a chances for making from here, it has to shoot to break this high, or my target of positional target of 114, 118, it has to shoot, or if it isn't, one more wave to the downside is possible, a correlation to that gold and silver, correlating to that, this pair is correlating to that gold and silver. So according to the price action, there is a one more wave to the high, or it can dump from here itself. But I think it won't. Again, there will be a consolidation like this here. It has to go in here. It has to happen, or it has to shoot from here. But I am in buy side only. I am having a position at, you know very well, at 108.6, and I already catch the bottom at 104.4. I already did, and I explained you. I already booked the profit here. You know very well about that. And again, I added the position here. In this position here itself, I added. I'm not expected this. It has to break this low. So that is why what I did is, according to the A, B, C, here I added the two position what I booked here. So nearly that 120 pips again I added, but again it's very bullish, and I won't wait for the next candle itself, because I thought this is a 1 2 and another it's making 1 2, another 1 2 1 2, small 1 2 1 2. But once it's broken this, it breaks this low, it's already broken this low, I decided either it has to go for this and again it has to come down, or it can make anything from this zone. I am expecting one more low is possible, that I am sure. What I will do is, I explained here, you just, if you have a time and you can read this well, there is no fresh trade to take here, because I am having the position here at I am reaccumulated here, refill my position at 105.9 something. I again refilled here, and I am already having a position at 108.65. what I did here, yeah, 108.65 I had a position here. So that position, if it comes here, I think I won't I'm not say, I can't say, because at the time what the wave formation gives my clear direction, I will book, because I'm already having the position here. So if it is an average, the trade will be a profit only. So whether my mind is telling, if I close means I can close here, otherwise I won't close the position, because it can shoot means again I will miss the trade. We didn't know anything about what it could happen here. We expecting here it has to get rejected. If it shooted means, and we missed that all the whole trade. So that is why what I'm saying is, I'm not decided, but at the time only the presence of mind, what my mind says, I can do according to that. I can't say now. So what my plan is, for this position I will exit my position here. If it reached here, the 108.2 I am expecting, or 108, in this zone I will exit my positions here. What I accumulate here, I will exit my position here. So remaining that one position I will just hold right now, and if it comes according to my plan, I will again load here. I will add positions here. So there is no fresh trades to, because once if you get enter here, what it will happen, again it can do anything to the go to the lower side, and anything can happen, right? In the correction, we can't imagine what kind of correction it is going to do. Only we know what the structure it's giving, we having the knowledge to labeling that. We can't predict. See, what I'm thinking is that two options from here can it go. So at that time what we have to do, this is an A, so this is an B as an expanded flat. If it goes here in that 5S structure, so this is the complete A, B and C. That is simple. But again it go to like this here, or from here itself it is coming to the downside. So it already broken, means what we have to do is simply A, B, C is a W. So this is the connecting wave X, and again ABC has to go. So right now I'm having only the two options. It can do anything, but I can't imagine. So let's move on to USD Chef. That same plan, USD Chef also. I'm just adding the position at 192 and I added at 93, I think so. 93 I added my position, and again what it did, it already broken this low, and again I added the position here. I just I think 9080, I think so. I added my position, and again it made a low. So this is creating a same what I said in the DXY, everything. There is still one more way is possible also, to another 150 pips or 200 pips to the downside is possible, but it can go from here itself. So this is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. If it is on 5 means this is also a diagonal. So anything can happen here. I'm not able to, because I'm in buy positions. I'm looking only for the buy. So if I get the chances, I will reaccumulate another thing. That's it we have to do. See, I'm expecting from here it has to reach that that positional target of 1.05050. So we have to get ready for the 200 to 300 pips. It's not for the intraday. I'm looking for only for the swing trades. See what the knowledge we get, I'm just applying that. So if it goes something wrong, we can't identify immediately. So we have to allow the market to form the structure, and then only we come to know, okay, what kind of pattern is doing. So allow that the market structure has to form, and then we have to label it, and then we can find the another pattern, what kind of pattern is going on. So right now same plan, it has a chances for making a one more low to the downside here, or it can shoot from here itself, but that positional trade is here, it's a target. So at the time what it will do, see this is also correlating to that gold and silver. I will explain that if once that gold and silver come, I will explain that correlation to that. So next what we will do, once again we are finished, Chef, JPY finished, Chef. So okay, let's move on to the gold itself otherwise. See, it came down what I expected in the last but week before the week, and what it is, it won't go immediately to that here. It will be a little bit confusion, then only it will go. See what it here happened in the daily chart and in that 4-hour chart, it's looking like one simple correction is over, A, B, C. But what we need, another A, B, C, and then another C, or it could be another ABC. So anyway it has to reach that 2050 zone, or it can go above this high also to took all the stop loss, who placed here the stop loss, because it's already did that same thing. I will show you in the weekly chart. Here we didn't know. See, this is the what we understand. This is the okay. This is an engulfing candle, and this is the bearish candle. So at the time next candle is also, it's a pullback, and the next here also same thing, 1900, and this is also 1700. It's the same $200 fall, and then what happened? It took all the stop loss above the placed here. What is the high? 920. 1920.94. So it's already it's across the high of 1912. And what happened next? Boom. So this can happen. What I'm trying to say is this can also happen, may happen. So I'm not sure about that, but be ready. Same thing happened. It's the same $200, right? 2076, 1863. Same $200. So there is a chances for making another high also to 2100, and then it can fall also. But here what I'm expecting up to 2050 I'm expecting, or what else it can do means here it's ABC is a three-way structure. So now it is confirmed it's making a three-way structure, only it has to do. So this is not a 1-2 and 1-2. This is a three-way structure. So the deeper correction is going on. Whether from here itself it can do a diagonal also, because once that my positional view is it's already finished the fifth way, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For me it's not a B, C and again WX, A, B, C, whatever you can do it, but from here to here I needed correction. So up to 1375, this zone, it has to reach there in a three-way structure, because this is a correction. Or if it is in 5-way completed structure, it's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a simple correction. So if it is a 5-way structure means at least we need a 38.2 retracement, because if it is a zigzag correction we need a 38.2 retracement. So that will comes around 1313. So anyway this zone it has to reach. If it is a zigzag pattern also, if it is a very bullish, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I need a 38.2 retracement, and then it can continue for the another 5 ways to the upper side. Or if it is an impulsive wave, this is a wave 1 or A, so it can be a if it is a bullish, it can be another 61.82 retracement, means that is $845. So that we will look later, but here I am looking for ABC is over. Again I need a connecting wave. What I said, from here to here it can make an regular flat and then it can come down, and from here itself it can come down. So what it did an irregular flat. Now I will show you. ABC is finished. Now I am expecting the ABC is already finished, so I am expected ABC has to come down, and another ABC or C wave has to reach that 1980 level, and then it has to come down. But what we expected is not happened. Now ABC is over, and again ABC is over, so it did an irregular flat, and now I am expecting another expanded flat. Another, it's a ABC, it can go from here to 1922, and then again it can go, if it is an expanded flat, it can reach up to 1960 or 1975, and then again from here it has to come down. So that is my view here. There is no more view right now. So let's see how it will, but sure, this is a simple correction, is one simple correction is over. So another, it has to be a connecting wave, the bigger correction, and then again it will be like this kind of impulsive wave to the upper side, and then only it can fall. Either it's making a one more high, or it can reject it from this zone, 2050 or 2040, whatever it is, 2020, and then again it had to fall. So we move on to the silver. Silver also same, ABC is over. So again I'm looking for the ABC. So what it did is a ABC, it's a A, B and C. So here it took almost 78.6 retracement. Now it is a very sluggy movement. So what is happening here, the same thing, it will do more corrections, but I'm not took any trade for the silver for intraday. If it is gold means I will do in only in small lots in buy side and bigger lots in the sell side. So mind that we are expecting the downtrend means don't put big lots in the buy side. So small lots, and only for the intraday I'm doing the gold in small lots, and if it is comes to my zone of 2020 or 2040, I will be in buy sell side in little bit bigger size. So let's see what it happened. So here I will show you. From here it has to reach this, and then again it can fall, or it can go to this zone, again fall, and then again it has to rise. So this lines, it's not very easy it won't do like that. See, what I expected is here means this line, if it uh, has to form, means it will take more time. These lines are just for identification that trend, it can happen like that. But really, see here it's A, B and C is happened. Here is a, here in the gold I am saying that one triangle is a, but I missed that, the triangle breakout. Here also it's done the same thing. A, B, yeah, something it's happened here, but in the gold it's a very beautiful thing. We missed that. In 15-minute chart, see that day it dropped nearly from 2015 to 1970. It's a nearly $40 drop, and here it's looking like a V reversal in this thing, impulsive wave. But what happened here is, see, this is a B, C, D, E. It did a triangle here, and then what happened? Came down. See, we no need to miss this kind of trades, because I am concentrating a lot of things in analysis of my Indian stocks, also on lot of forex pairs. So if we are a scalper or intraday trader looking only for that one, see, I am a alone person, so I am not doing that much concentration in the trading. Only I am doing of the swing trade only. I am just because of that I am doing or concentrating only in the swing trade. So this kind of trades only for that. If you are watching that only one pair means gold, I will trade only the gold, means you will be very professional in the gold, and you can catch these kind of movements. See how beautiful is this. So A, B, C. At least we can, if it breaks here, it's a 1980, 1950, it's $25, 250 pips. This kind of trades I'm missing because I'm not an intraday trader, swing trader. So what I will do is, if it comes only in the 2020 or 2040 or 2050, I will just accumulate my sell. I will build that sell position. And here what I did, if it comes to the downside, I'm decided to buy, but I didn't buy here because it's done a irregular flat. What I thought is A, B, C, or it could be in making a triangle, then in the triangle breakout like this, if it happened, I can catch that. But it's not a triangle also here, it's A, B, C, so it's a X. So now A is forming a W, and again it has to come to this zone, X, and then again A, B, C. So if it comes here, if I watch that, but I won't place any order for the gold, I need to watch that, and then only I won't place that limit orders, because for the intraday trader it can do anything, the wave formation. So right now I am expecting it has to come to the one more wave, and then again it can shoot for that 1960 or 1970, and then we have to watch what kind of wave formation is doing here. So there is a chances for A, B, C is A. So W, X, A, B, C. So because lot of times it's making a smaller, also we have to accept it that we are looking for the irregular flat, and what it will do is simply it's a B, C. Sometime this kind of C waves is a very shallow C also happening. So beware of that. And silver also finished. So we need to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin also, what I did is I entered in that it's looking like a triangle. What I explained there, I will explain here what I did. So that day I explained that it will took more than 15 days, right? From here itself I told exactly what it did. More than 20 days it's gone. Right now we are on that scene. So every time it's making a triangle only. I explained that Bitcoin is doing a lot of triangles. So what I thought is this could be a triangle. There is a chances for that, right? And then so A B C D E, so B here, and it didn't break this channel also in median line. So there is a chances. What I did is I entered here 12,200 something I have entered. Yeah, I didn't see that, and one of my in the forum, one of the guy told the Bitcoin is flying. So that time I saw that. Immediately I saw it's around 1200 something. I immediately entered because if it's looking like an triangle formation. So what I did is I entered here and placed the stop loss here. After that, what happened here? It didn't move. It's nearly from my entry. It's $250 it's went, but I didn't book anything. And after keep on watching, it's looking like a graining here. And what I did here, it's not looking like a, because if it is a triangle breakout, this kind of Bitcoin will shoot. I will show you that what kind of price action I am expecting, because I had did here in this zone I did. So the price action has to be like this. Once the triangle breakout, I entered here and then I booked here itself, and then I missed the whole thing, and then again I buy, I think so, and one more up to 9,000 I booked the profit. In the 9,000 I booked the profit and exited, and then again 3 months I didn't done anything because of this triangle, and because of this bearish trend line also it's came. So whether it has to break means, so here also try, see this kind of price action I needed in the Bitcoin. That is was the observation we needed for that. Each and every pair has some kind of characters. See, if it is a triangle, it's breakout here, see, breakout, this kind of candles are already happened there itself. And then what happens, like this only it has to do, not happen to like this and then it won't retested. Bitcoin never retested like that. If it broken means broken, that's it. Bitcoin won't retest the trend line. These are all the observations you needed. So whether it is coming to the downside here itself, immediately I exited my position in $50 loss. I get into the 1200 something, and then immediately I exited in 190 something. So nearly it's around 20 or 30 dollars in the small loss. It's a very very small loss. But what I'm trying to say is, only the entering and then keeping the stop loss is not, it's not a fair. What in my strategy, what I'm thinking is I need to watch at least. Then I recognized, and my one of my this thing helped me. What? That's date and the price. What had happened here from here to here? It took 100 bahts. From here 93 bahts. It has to be double. Then only it is ready to shoot. So now what it is happening here, we have to watch that, and then only it has to see. This strategy is only for that Bitcoin. Some lot of times I'm taking, so there is a character for one pair, so it won't suit everything. It won't suit for all pair, in only the forex and it some pairs. So like that, see here it's also, it took more time for the impulsive and then the correction, and then if you took this kind of impulsive and then the correction. So now I think it will again consolidate and then only it can fly. So whether this is an A, so it's already did an irregular flat now, so it could be an another consolidation to break this. It's possible, lot of possible it's said, but it may break or may not. If it is a chances for the doing the 5 waves, and if it comes near to this zone, I will be in buy side. Definitely I will be in buy side. because this is an A, so it's already did an irregular flat. So if it is an irregular flat, there is a lot of chances for making another highway to shoot. Nearly my target is 14. In past I told the 13,400, so it will reach there definitely. But we have to wait patiently, and then only we have to catch. And one of my friend in the WhatsApp group told it's a very excellent quote, and I already uh, explained that in last week video also. Try to catch that reversal, not try to catch the top and bottom. We don't know which is the bottom, which is the top. So I'm just keep on watching and that quote in front of my system, and I just keep on the words in the mind. Don't need to catch the bottom and top. We didn't know what is the high, what is the top, which is the high and which is the bottom. Keep on adding the position is not. So I learned from him also, right? So everybody need to learn from one guy. Don't be an ego. I know everything. It's not like that. We need to tell, and we have to share the knowledge, and the people will share the knowledge, and we can learn each other. So from that from the last week, when I heard that quote, it's very priceless. That quote, nobody can do like that, right? Nobody can tell like that. We can if we can read it in the book also like that, but sharing the knowledge and sharing the quote like that, that is the experienced. We have to get. So we move on to the next. So here it has to make something all three waves. So let's say I will inform in my page or anything get interested. Let's see, and what will be the next is US 30, I think so. Yeah, Bitcoin finished, and US 30. See, US 30 also. What I'm expected. See, I told you, right? I expecting one more way to the low up to below the 26,000 below 25,900 expected, and I missed the trade. So from here also I'm looking for that. Something the intermediate waves, it's confusing me. I think it's here. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So like that only I counted, and it's looking like keep on means I'm not so satisfied. So what I thought is, and I have published in my thing also in the Telegram channel and Trading View. So there is a possibility for this could be at the end of the third way, and this could be an end of the fourth way, and it can make a triangle or irregular flat, and then it can shoot. But I didn't know whether this is the right thing or it is doing, because here what I'm expecting here is it's a bearish, because this is this is a 5-way structure. So B is an irregular flat as a running flat, and C is done a very beautiful 5-way structure. But the 5-way structure is completed or not, that is the question mark here. So 1 2, so here is a leading diagonal as a 1 2 3 4 5. In past I did like this only, and I sold that position at the 28 400 something, I think so. No, sorry, 27,800 I entered, and in the drop I didn't done anything. Okay, anyway, so what I thought is it could be a 4 3 4 5 means it is a reversal pattern, but it did only the 3-way structure. Immediately it did that 5-way structure. It looks like a 5-way structure. So I decided in that 3-way structure I need to get exit, because I had a little doubt whether it could be a third and the fourth is going to happen. And what I did is I exited in my break even. Here itself I exited in the break even, and I placed at a sell stop loss sell limit at a 28,400. So still there is no clear direction here. whether this is the fourth wave or it's already ended that fourth wave. So this is going to be a diagonal also, because C wave could be a diagonal. So in the diagonal pattern it will be very sluggish and we can't make out whether it is getting correction or it's a diagonal. See, ABC is a 1, it can be like this, and what it will do, say A, B, C as a W, so whole thing will be X, A, B, C. So from here ABC 1, A, B and C is a 2, and then it will immediately, it will keep on graining, it will make a 3 waves, it will come like that. So how the euro dollar came, so for the 2 years, for the 600 pips it make a 2 years, right, from that 1.2 to 1.1. So nearly for the 600 pips it took nearly 2 years. So like that, if it is a diagonal pattern, that C is very messy. That is why I exited my position. So I need to watch here, but I have already placed the sell position at 28,400, 440. I placed the sell order. So let's see, because if it isn't happen, the fourth way is still ahead, means it did exactly hit 23.6. So still there is a room for the 38.2. So still let's wait. We have to wait to catch that. See here, it's a very easy trade. I missed that. For the 100 pips, I missed the whole 2000 pips. Like that, I don't want to miss again. Let's see. So on the last week, I just added, have a look for the Australian JPY. I told I have already placed that, and what I did is I just keep on watching, and here I exited my position. Day before yesterday I exited my position at 75.75. I exited here itself. I exited my position because here also the same. I am expecting, anyway this is the W, this is the X, means this is the A, so B is completed, means see, it's not to be like this kind of wave, it's little bit, I need this kind of drop if it is a C wave. So still we are in the correction only. That is why I exited my position, because see, it's all three waves. So one A, B, C is over. Another, what it will do is another A, B, C. So there again I will short. But keep on that stop loss is a very tight stop loss. I nearly made 90 plus 90. Yeah, 180 pips I did from here itself. I just keep on saying, right? I just see, this is the invalidation of our point. So every time I took in the three-way structure end, I keep on shorting, and then again I buy back, because every time it's making three ways only. So we need to understand what is trying to make. It's not simply we have to place a stop. Okay, we entered the trade, so it has to do like that. See, because we are the full-time trader. So okay, anyway, this is 180 pips in, see how much days. In the 20 days in this pair, because this is not in my watch list, but for the intraday I'm taking the trade. See, this happened right here. From 1 week I got nearly the 90 pips here in 1 week, because this is a bonus for me. Stop is very tight stop loss, right? 35 pips only stop loss. I did nearly 180 pips right now. But still there is a same stop loss. If it comes there, and again I will add, stop loss is the same. So now I have took that CAD JPY also last week. I have explained once again. Sorry. See, I exited from here because I missed the trade here. I didn't done anything. So there is a chance, because my CAD JPY trade need very nearly, it's a very beautiful trade setup what I got. So that is why I'm just keep on adding this AJ and the CJ, because if it's a W, it's a X. So here is a Y is entered, and X again ABC. So this could be an W connecting wave X, or this could be an ABCA. So ABCB, and then C can shoot, or this thing is an connecting wave for this wave, and we are in the downtrend. So I didn't done anything, only the AJ I'm doing because that is enough for me, just because I have already updated for you. That is why I need to say you. So you just watch that my trade setup in the trading view or in my Facebook page or Telegram page. You can understand what is I am trying to say. Here I am looking for the three-way structure, and then if it is a three-way structure ended here, we can buy here. Right now I'm expecting a pullback, and then again it can come to this zone, or whether it is making a irregular flat, it won't come to this zone. If it is only the expanded flat, it can reach here. Otherwise, if it break this high and then again it will do like this three kind of structure, so that will become a B in this zone, and then C it can shoot. You expecting here and then it won't come, it will make a triangle or irregular flat, whatever it is, and then it can shoot from here itself. So don't stick to my analysis also, you just do your analysis and make it as a reference as my analysis. Don't enter as per my strategy. So I think I finished everything. Yeah, all watch list, and I need to show you one more education purpose. I did here is one is the Indian stock. So this we have to learn from this. I need to show you this is just for an educational purpose, right? See, this is the end of the bullish A, and here is the one more A. So this is an intermediate wave, right? So here this is in bullish A. So everybody will make it as in B and C. So here A, B, C is finished. So this is the intermediate wave of an expanded flat of B, and then C also got a very aggressive down. So this is a very, very important thing. See, we can make it as A, B, C. So one simple structure has ended. So we have to enter it here. So it's already 5 is completed. So what we expected? So 1 is completed because this is A, B, C is finished. C contains of 5 ways. So everybody looking for this kind of structure to the upper side. And this is also a 38.2. It's a 50. I think so 50%. It's a right 100. Yeah, it's a 50% retracement. So everybody looking for buy to the upper side for the C wave as a educational. See what if we are an Elliott wave trader also. So this is a chances for A, B and C is finished, and we are looking for that C1 is completed. So in the another three wave 50% retracement or 61.8 retracement we have to buy, right? Keep it inside. I will show you that. So here the same it's a different count, that is bullish count, this is a bearish count. See, this is an what I understand, just I am explaining you here. Simply it's not looking like okay A, B, C, okay this is C, so this is A, B, C. So we are in the 5-way structure, so don't go for that, because see this structure here, this is not looking like a C. That is what my observation. See, this is also an impulsive. This is also looking like an impulsive. It's not looking like a B wave. The 5th way has got a wedge formation. Here also same thing is a wedge formation. So understanding this simply, see this is A. So this is the kind of B wave. C is in very short. So in that intermediate wave B also did A, B, C. So this A and this is above that 161.8, but even though it is accepted in equities, it's doing like that only. I have already saw a lot of things. Even though if it keep that Fibonacci retracement here for this wave, this is above more than 161.8. I know that. But what I'm trying to say is it's accepted in equities. I have saw a lot of things. That is why I have explaining you. So this is the formation of A, this is the B and C. So this is an A, here is the end of B, C is an 5 structure, 5-way structure. So simply A, B, C has to come down. So this is also a bearish count. So what we did is bullish count. The same company, same view, but view is different. Same Elliott wave, right? A, B, C. So this is A, B, C. So this is also bullish count. But here, why I am looking as a bearish means that simple thing. This is not looking like an C wave in this pattern. Either it could be a diagonal also. What I am saying is, we are getting the 2 means no need to trade this. Simply understand. Either it has to break this high, then only we have to enter. Not in here. Not here. That is not the safe trade. Either you have to wait for this 400 to 500 zone, or it has to shoot above that, because if it breaks this, then we come to know anyway it's already here, it's done a irregular flat, again it won't do again here. So it has to be a bullish only. So wait for that third wave, here the second wave. If it cross this high and this high, then only we have to enter. So these are all that what I learned is, it has to break that, the invalidation zone, then only we have to buy. Simply you don't enter. This is looking like this is a wave 1, and then in the third, the second wave, after the 3-way structure, if you entered, it will again, what it will do is it will go like this, and then again like this kind of flash crash can happen here. Mind that. So I think I finished everything. So thanks for watching this analysis, and thanks for encouraging, thanks for giving likes, shares, everything. So have a nice weekend and have a nice trade week. And I'm expecting the dollar has reversal, or it could be another 1 or 2 weeks for the consolidations to creating the base, then it can shoot also. So have a nice week, and have a nice week, trade week. See you on the next week for the analysis. So thanks a lot. Bye.